People, welcome back to another video. I'm Yana.
And I'm Mike.
And we're back with another epic challenge for you. You see, we're in the kitchen.
Oh yeah.
We're in the kitchen and it's breakfast time. Each morning we get up, we drink a cup of tea, eat a little sandwich before we eat our breakfast. So why not lift him up while I'm doing that? I have to prove myself back to you guys because I've been failing y'all. I've really been failing you and I feel really bad. If it's your first time on our channel, welcome. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, turn your post notification on so you never miss out on our epic uploads, guys. And let's do this. Let's get straight into this banger right now. Alright guys, I'm not even gonna prep anything. I'm doing everything from scratch. You think I can do it?
You got this, baby.
Alright, jump on up.
You got this.
Oh my god. Wait.
Let's go.
I was thinking it'd be lighter in the morning, but oh my god. Let me get the pot right here.
Yeah.
And some water. Oh my god, I have to wait until it boils up, guys. Oh. You're squeezing my shoulder. I'm about to turn it on right now.
You should have had it already.
Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna do this. I'm super Yana. What are you laughing for?
So let's start the sandwich and while it's going.
I'm catching myself.
Cups.
I don't need it. I don't want it. Alright, do that for me. Because I'm supposed to do everything. I'm supposed to. Let me get my tea bag, people. Let me get my sugar.
Look how high it was. I could have grabbed it for you.
Oh my god. Grab me a spoon.
Got a spoon.
Rinse it off. Oh my god. People. Alright. We got the peppermint tea bag right here.
It's gonna be a good long lift right here.
Oh my god. That's crazy. Whoa. Whoa.
She rushing.
Whoa.
You got it, baby. Oh yeah.
People, put the sugar back.
Got it. Oh yeah.
Put the tea bag back.
Got it.
Grab the bread.
Got it.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Wait, you're pulling my clothes. Pull my clothes on.
Hey.
Not my back.
I didn't see the back.
Come on, fix your foot.
Covering you the back.
Lift up your foot.
I'm gonna lift my foot.
Grab 2 plates. Just grab one. Oh my god. Why did I do this to myself? Woo.
I think the past 2 minutes lifting already.
Think so? I hope I did.
You sure did.
Oh my god. You want jelly?
Yes, I want jelly.
Oh my god. Guys, I think I'm gonna pass. Why use a spoon?
For my jelly, man, it's easier. I'm a peanut butter. Oh yeah.
People, oh my god.
I just made the sandwich and then put me down.
No, I have to do this. I have to do this. Just need another plate.
Lift me up, man. It hurts my foot, man.
Oh my, hurting your foot.
Oh yeah, man.
Guys, he's being cruel.
Oh yeah. By the time you finish, just fill up the water over here. much easier with a spoon.
Yeah, it feels easier with a spoon.
It is much easier. Oh my god. You lean it back, man. I'm a drop, man.
You can't hold up yourself?
I'm gonna go hold up myself.
Hold up yourself, catch for me. One sandwich down, I don't want a jelly.
Come on.
And I said I was gonna make pancake. Oh my god.
My grind hurts.
Oh, alright, I'll soon put you back up.
Yeah.
Guys, the water is not even boiling up.
My jelly, man.
I know, wait, what's wrong with you? This is hard enough.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Lifting care while making breakfast. Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Look, it's some ackee and sawfish I make.
Yeah, do that. You're not helping.
I am.
Cover the stuff.
I can't reach it, man.
Put it back in the fridge.
You should do more than 5 minutes lifting. Probably more than 6 minutes. Alright, that water is ready.
The water's not ready yet. Woo! People.
Oh yeah, guys.
You asked for a long piggyback?
You get a long piggyback.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah.
Come on, water.
It's ready. Probably not now, man. Take it off.
Alright, people. Whoa!
And there you go. You're all finished off.
Get down. Guys, I did it. I was supposed to mix it. Guys, that was a lot. I'm sweating, look.
That was a long one.
It probably just 3 minutes, probably not even long, babe.
I think you're lifting more than 6 minutes.
I don't think so.
I'm telling you. You're gonna see how long the video is. Probably a 7-minute left.
Guys, we've come to the end. See, I made tea and a sandwich with them on my back. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, peace out.
See y'all in the next.
See you in the next one.
Yeah, it's good.